This is the second question, and the question is: in a diagram, PQRST is a circle with center O, as you can see it. Find RST. We have to calculate find RST, angle RST, angle RST. This is a question basically on circle geometry. It's a question on circle geometry, and it's actually for us that are doing what YGCE. And basically, if you look at these questions, it's not that far-fetched, even though it look like it's a complex question. It's not that complex. All you just need to know is to observe some information about these questions. Now, you can see a line here, two parallel lines. This indicates a parallel lines. And parallel lines, whenever you have parallel lines, there are a lot of principles that governs what? Parallel lines. There are a lot of principles that governs parallel line. Now, you can see that this line, if you extend this line here, and this line here, line QT, let me write it here, line QT is parallel. Line QT, or let me just say QT, is parallel to what? Is parallel to what? RX. Line QT, because of the arrow here that they show, this double arrow means they are parallel. Line QT is parallel to RX. And since they are parallel, meaning that this angle here is an alternate angle. Because when you have a parallel line, it's something like this. You're having RS, and then you're having what? QT. And something like this, they meet like this. So this is angle what? 33 degree. And this is another angle here. And we are told that, look at this symbol. This symbol, that is what I'm trying to say, that it indicates a parallel line. And they indicate this as means that these are parallel lines. And this is alternate angle. Whenever you see something like Z in a parallel line, it means this angle here is equal to this angle here. So that's the first thing you need to tell the examiner, that angle, since line QT is parallel to RS, definitely angle QTR, then angle QT, therefore angle QTR is equivalent to angle TRS or SRT, whichever you want to call it. Angle SRT. Just make sure the R is in the middle. So that's how you label it. The one that carries the angle must be in the middle. So angle QTR is equal to angle SRT. So if that be the case now, then therefore our angle SRT will be what? Angle SRT is now what? 33 degree. Now what are the things that we need to consider again? So if this is 33 degree, this is going to be 33 degree also. Now look at these two angles again. This, you have to look at this closely, because I draw it with this diagram very small, and then you see the diagram also on the screen. This line as well is indicating something. If you consider this triangle RST, consider triangle RXT. You will see something like this. I'm just trying to sketch it out so you can see it very well. Let me draw it as it looks like. Something like this. You have X, then you have T here. This is T here. Then we have R. And they now put something like this. It's a type of triangle. This is a type of triangle whereby two angles are equal. Two of the triangles are equal. Two of these triangles are equal. That's why they put two. That's why they put one here and another here. This line means these angles on this side are equal. This side and this side are equal. and the angles will also be equal. These angles here will be equal to this angle here because of they are called isosceles. Well, this type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. So this is 33. If this is 33 degree, definitely this is also 33 degree. So this is an isosceles triangle. Consider RST to be what? An isosceles what? Triangle. Isosceles. Isosceles what? Triangle. Isosceles triangle. It's a type of triangle whereby the base angles are equal. The two base angles are equal to be an isosceles triangle. So therefore, if this is an isosceles triangle, we can easily get our RST that we have to call for. So RST now be RST angle RST plus angle RST plus angle is RST plus angle RST plus angle SRT. This is angle SRT 33 degree, and another angle here 33 degree. So I don't need to be naming those terms, just say plus 33 degree plus another 33 degree equal to 180. Why am I adding? Because I'm trying to look for this, so this is what I'm trying to look for. So since I have these two angles of a triangle, I can easily get the third angle using the principle of sum of angle in a triangle. Whenever you have two angles in a triangle and you have to look for the third one, what are you going to add? You said the sum of angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and 2 has been given. So 33 degree plus 33 degree plus what I'm looking for will give me 180 degree. So I can quickly say, okay, angle RST plus 66 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle RST equal to 180 degree minus 66 degree. Angle RST equal to 180 minus 66. So we have 114 degrees. So the answer is 114 degrees. So when we come to the end of today's class, please, if you have not subscribed, please do well to press subscribe button and notification bell in order to see our update on this YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you. Keep on watching videos on Academy Tutorial. Love you.